Robinhood pretty much stopping users from trading in GameStop and other Reddit picks. There's a subreddit called Wallstreetbets that got really flowing and going with all the users on there, and they all kind of got together and they were like, we're going to buy up pretty much all the GameStop stock we can, AMC stock. There's a few others like Nokia. I even heard like BlackBerry and even Blockbuster. Like a lot of these stocks that, crazy, man. So a lot of these stocks that were, I mean, they were little or nothing. You feel me? Not worth too much of a whole lot. And pretty much you got these restrictions that were put on by Robinhood because a lot of these people that were participating in this day trading were using Robinhood. They've gone to Webull, I believe. That's the new one that they're doing now.
Yeah, I
Fidelity, which is a pretty reputable one. They're doing it everywhere. Now, what's going on is the people that's like us, the people that are trying to make money. We're trying to do this. We're it's crazy because we're doing the exact same thing that the people that have been on Wall Street for years have been doing. And they're pretty much trying to bail out these hedge fund billionaires that are pretty much going to have to buy these stocks back or they're going to lose money. They've already lost close to, I want to say, 90 billion. They've lost a lot of money.
They'll be all right.
Yeah.
They'll be all right.
I mean, I want to, you would think so, having that much money, but the problem goes to, everything else. You got everybody that's feeling this. I mean, it's even fell its way into crypto with Dogecoin. That's gotten pretty big.
The app for that just because I'm starting to have a lot of FOMO. It's like it seems like it's a lot of just free money out there to be gained just off a chance right now.
Yeah.
And
that's part of the problem, I want to say, is because people are, I mean, investing is a gamble, but people are really treating this like gambling and they're not doing the research on what's actually going on. And if you're too late to the party, if you're too late to the party, you're not going to make any money. You won't.
I mean,
and you won't make as much. You won't make as much as everybody else is. It's almost like a pyramid scheme. Almost.
Yeah, I was actually about to say it's almost like an MLM, man, where it's like literally those at the top of the pyramid, they're good. It keeps on branching down, but the further down you go, there ain't much to be made. I mean, it's not that in the sense of, the market is always fluctuating. You never know. But we see that it's clearly being manipulated by, essentially us.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But I think that the more pressing thing is the precedent this could set. I mean, essentially all you need is a business that's on the verge of, bankruptcy, essentially, to just flood it, make sure that this happens over again. Yes, they're probably gonna put something in place to stop this. I mean, you see Robinhood trying to do,
and they already have, man.
Hard reset with just blocking, the regular person from getting that investment going and getting their money out of it. So if this is just the, the base software user, the people who create the software, and they're the ones doing this, we can only imagine what this is going to affect on like Wall Street. What this is going to affect like laws being made, because now we get into that backdoor money.
Yeah, but that's my problem with it. You're going to make laws about it now when these guys have been doing this for years. Not on a sense of people like us, but people like them they've been doing this. They're getting beat at their own game.
Yeah.
So now they want to make rules, about this stuff. This shit is criminal. These people that are withholding you from buying and selling the stocks at a certain time and just cutting it off. Not in the sense of when you're allowed to trade, but in the sense of during trade hours you're blocking trade. That's illegal. Those should be felonies, and those people should be in prison. You shouldn't be allowed to do that. If you lose, you lose. And they say, they're mad because the new generation is, they're rising up and they're doing it a particular way where they didn't necessarily have these tools back then. So guess what? What are they trying to do? They're trying to get parts of the subreddit shut down. They're trying to get Robinhood shut down. They're trying to put more restrictions on what you can do. They're trying to put more requirements on what you have to have in order to have an account. The requirements are taking longer now to be, pretty much solidified and made sure that it's legitimate. They're doing a lot of stuff that they weren't doing, let's say, a week ago, honestly,